Welcome to GeoWeek 2023 here in Denver. I'm joined by Corey Savage, a reality capture enthusiast, and we're here to chat a little bit about the VLX and maybe even some fusion of sensor data. So, Corey, can you tell me about how you found out about Navis and what excites you so much?
Oh man, I found out Navis kind of through digging through a wormhole, looking for ways that I could innovate and capture. And when I found it, I was very, very, very impressed. Found a local guy that had some and set up a testing day, and from there I was hooked.
Very cool. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing in your day-to-day workflows and how you see the Navis as an asset to that?
Oh man, my day-to-day workflow, a lot of capturing, a lot of processing, a lot of cleaning up data. But with the Navis, you can kind of skip all that. You close your loops, as they say. You go around. It's as simple as walking. If you can walk, you can scan, you can capture. You have this data at your fingertips, and what you choose to do with it, sky's the limit.
Very cool. So I know that you do a lot of photogrammetry, and obviously photogrammetry has all sorts of strengths, maybe some weaknesses as well. How do you see the VLX and photogrammetry workflows you're used to working in tandem to produce an overall better product?
So yes, you're right. Photogrammetry does have a ton of pros, a little bit of cons too, I won't lie. But with the Navis system, man, it's the perfect marriage. You can capture, get things really fine, nice and detailed. You have your control points. Everything's where it should be. There's no second guessing. But then you also have photogrammetry, and you could use the high quality resolution in images. And when those are coupled together, you just have a beautiful product.
Very cool. Can you talk a little bit about what sort of industries you're working in, and if you've had a variety or if you've settled on one?
So, I mean, honestly, you can use it for whatever. I primarily use it in oil and gas and some small personal projects. But yes, if you can walk through whatever project or whatever data set you need, the Navis is the way to go. Again, paired with photogrammetry or even standalone, the images are clear. You can't lose with it. You can't lose with it.
We should hire you as an AE. But before we do that, can you describe your workflow a little bit on how we see those things coming together?
Yeah, so my workflow, I start off with photogrammetry, get the areas that I want to capture down, and then from there I would go on with the Navis. With me personally, I make sure that targets are set up before I even start photogrammetry. I walk around, close my loops. After that's all said and done, use the standard downloading, uploading to the cloud. That stuff is processing. Once that's down, I can kick it out in an E57 or whatever file format you want. And then it's as simple as layering it on top of each other. The colorization is already there in the point cloud. It's chef's kiss.
Beautiful. I appreciate it. Is there anything else that maybe we didn't capture that that got you excited about it, or anything else you're looking forward to?
Oh man, I think the thing that excites me most about the Navis is it's user-friendly, it's easy to use. You can use it almost anywhere. You can hot swap batteries, which is that's something that you can't technically even do in some applications of photogrammetry. So being able to do that on the fly as you need it, incredible. The second thing I would have to say is closing the loop. I tested with a lot of systems, and I wander around aimlessly, to be honest. But with the Navis, you have that right there on screen. You can see where you started, where you need to end. Anyone could do it.
Awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, Corey.
Hey, the pleasure's been mine.